Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the hidden photos on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently hide some photos on your iPhone and now you have updated your version of iOS into iOS 18 and you want to find hidden photos in iOS 18 and you don't know about that, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to go back. Now you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. For this, you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to make sure that you have opened the photos from here. So here you can simply find the hidden section on your iPhone on photos. So it is very difficult to find hidden photos, so you have to all the way scroll it down so that you can find that hidden section in iOS 18. So if you want to open that, then you have to simply click on here, and here you have to simply click on view album, and after that it will scan your face ID, and after that you will see your hidden photos on your iPhone iOS 18 without any problem. So if you do not find that, you can simply check again the video how you can find that. For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.